Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making gochujang deviled eggs, which is a perfect appetizer for Thanksgiving. To start this dish, we're going to fry up 2 thick slices of bacon until it's super crispy. Then we're going to take this out, let it drain and cool down. Then in a large pot with cold water, we're going to add 6 medium eggs, enough water to cover all the eggs. We're going to turn the heat on high, bring this up to a boil, and once it reaches a rolling boil, we're going to pop a lid on this, turn off the heat, and let that sit for 10 minutes. While those are sitting, we can crumble up our bacon slices, chop up the greens of 1 scallion, just popping it in a bowl, and putting aside a little gochugaru, which is Korean chili flake. After 10 minutes, we're going to transfer our eggs into ice water. This is going to stop the cooking process and hopefully help me peel these a little nicer, because I am notoriously bad at peeling eggs. I'm going to try to be as gentle as possible because I want these to look pretty on the outside as well. So just peeling away, this is the last one, and I like to pop them back in the water just to get rid of any excess eggshell. Then we're going to pull these out and let them drain a little bit on some kitchen towel. Then we're going to go ahead and slice these in half and pull out the yolks. I found the easiest way to do this is with an offset spatula. It just pops right out, and we're popping these into a strainer because we're going to pass these through the strainer. I switched over to a metal spoon because it was much easier to pass this through. It does take a little time, but it's going to give you a really soft, creamy, beautiful filling for our deviled eggs. Shockingly, this all came through. Don't forget to scrape off the little yolks on the bottom of your strainer as well. You don't want to lose out on any of that goodness. Now for our flavoring, or to help get this a little creamier, we're going to add 5 to 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm using kewpie because I love it so much. It's a little tangy. Then we're also going to add 1.5 teaspoons of gochujang, which is Korean chili paste, and about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, just being sure not to get any of the seeds into the mixture. Then we're going to give this a really good stir until that's all incorporated. I'm transferring this into a piping bag with a large tip. This is optional. I just want my eggs to look a little prettier. Then we're going to go ahead and pipe those into the whites, arranging it on your favorite plate. I found just laying them all out was easier to go ahead and pipe into. I did lose 1 egg white, it's split in half, so missing 1. Then we're going to garnish with our crumbled up bacon. It's got a little salty, meaty bite. Sprinkle on our scallions, which we're going to add a little oniony hit to this. Added a little bit of our gochugaru, which is Korean chili flake. It's mostly for color, kind of like paprika would do. And finally, a sprinkling of sesame seeds. And these are looking gorgeous. Now, let's go ahead and give these a taste. The yolks are creamy. You get that hit of gochujang, just a little tiny spiciness. The kewpie adds a tanginess and a creaminess, and these are absolutely delicious and so easy to make. And you can make a bunch of these for your Thanksgiving appetizers. But there they are, gochujang deviled eggs. I hope you all try to make these in your home. Thank you once again for spending time with me today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.